Welcome to the third of our updates on the Public Understanding of Law Survey, or PULSE. The PULSE is a Victoria-wide survey to explore how people see, understand and engage with their law. We're talking to 6,000 Victorians face-to-face to explore how people experience, understand and navigate the law and everyday legal problems. We're currently 80% through our fieldwork interviews, which means our initial reports will be released in the first half of 2023. The PULSE will give us a clearer understanding of how the public see the law in their lives and will help governments and legal services develop policies and offer services that make a real difference to people. Now, legal needs surveys are great, but they only give part of the picture. Legal capability provides another important dimension. The PULSE is a legal needs survey, but it's also a legal capability survey. When thinking about individuals, legal capability is the collection of knowledge, skills and attributes needed to navigate legal issues and make informed decisions about whether and how to use the law in legal processes. The PULSE includes brand new ways to think about and measure legal capability. More importantly, combining a legal needs survey with a legal capability survey gives you a better overall understanding of legal need. The PULSE will give us a better insight because capturing legal capability is central to understanding whether legal needs are met and therefore whether there is access to justice. If you don't have strong legal capability, then you'll probably need support to deal appropriately with a justiciable issue. That means you have a legal need. Justiciable issues are problems which might have a legal solution. This includes problems where lawyers and courts are involved, ones where they aren't, and problems which people don't see as legal at all. A legal need is considered unmet if a justiciable issue cannot be appropriately dealt with because effective legal support is not available to bridge the gap in legal capability. Where legal need is unmet, there is no access to justice. Legal needs surveys do a lot of things really well, but they do come with limitations. Historically, one of these has been in understanding why people do what they do when faced with everyday legal issues. It's been noted that the type of problem swamps other considerations, but this was never all that helpful. People developing legal needs surveys have now started to think about what else could improve our understanding, including trying to capture aspects of people's legal capability. To date, this has included things like measuring knowledge of law, awareness of rights, or confidence when facing legal problems. The PULSE is a major advance in this way of thinking, shifting the dial much further from traditional legal needs surveys towards measuring legal capability. This includes questions measuring whether people have knowledge of their legal rights, have confidence when facing legal problems, have practical legal literacy, think the law is relevant, see lawyers as accessible, trust lawyers, and have digital skills to address legal problems. In asking these kinds of questions, we hope to have a much clearer picture of why people take particular paths when faced with these kinds of problems. So the PULSE will help progress how we understand legal capability. It will provide better insight into how Victorians see the law in their lives, and it helps governments and legal services develop policies and services that make a real difference to people. The PULSE will also provide a valuable baseline for evaluating programs and tools for monitoring change. Fundamentally, the PULSE will provide essential evidence to support better justice in Victoria.